What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get trainer cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, as always, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to that in the description down below. So let's get started. So the first way of getting trainer cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket is just by going to your homepage and opening packs. So if you're looking for a specific trainer card, you can look up in which exact pack that card is and just try to open that pack as much as possible. But that's a harder and longer way of getting them. The second and most easiest way to get supporter trainer cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket is by using your pack points in the pack shop exchange. So if you go to your pack point exchange, you can find all the cards that are in the game. So to get to the trainer cards, you would just need to scroll down until you reach the bottom. And here we go. Here we have the basic rarity trainer cards. So if you're just looking for a basic card, you can purchase them here for 70 pack points. That's also the way that I got Sabrina right here. But if you're looking for more rare cards and you opened a lot of, so you have a lot of pack points, you can just scroll down a bit more and buy these 2 stars rarity trainer cards. Also, the third way of getting trainer cards that's not yet introduced to the game is by trading them with other players. But for that you would need to wait for a future update. So at the moment those are all the official ways of getting trainer cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.